hard. Let's shift focus on to a space which has done reasonably okay of late, real estate. Select stocks have done okay. Kolte Patil, one word that everybody speaks about this company is that the kind of growth that they've shown on the top line is superb, and the guidance for FY14 is also impressive. May not be showing in the stock, but let's get in Sujay Kalele, Group CEO of Kolte Patil Developers, who joins us right now to speak about precisely that. Thanks so much for joining in, Sujay. Thanks. What kind of performance can we expect from the company in the balance of the year, and what kind of revenues and square feet guidance are you expecting?
Right. So, at the start of this financial year, we had given a guidance of top revenue of 800 to 900 crores. And by half year, we have done about 405 crores. So, I think we are well on target for our annual guidance. Profitability was also in line actually. So, our half year profits are at 58 crores, which is again in line with the full year guidance that we have given. So we hope that the remaining 2 quarters also we are able to sustain the same momentum and be in that 800 to 900 crore range that we had guided at the start of this financial year.
Afternoon, Sujay. Can you just tell us what the average realization has been in the first half of the year, and now what's the expectation going forward?
Yeah, so the average realization in the first half has been close to about 5,400 rupees a square feet, and the average realization for the second half of this financial year is also in the same range of 5,400 to 5,500 rupees a square feet.
What are the new launches that are planned for the balance of the year, and what geographies are you targeting these new launches?
Right, so we have planned about 3 new launches in the remaining 5 months of this financial year, and all are expected to be in Pune.
And Sujay, what's the update then on the township project?
Yeah, so we are awaiting the phase 2 clearance from Government of Maharashtra, and we are following up with the requisite required authorities to get the approval done. So hopefully in the coming months and quarters we should have that phase 2 approval.
And what about the fundraising plans, Sujay? Any kind of funds that you will need to raise over the course of the next 2 or 4 quarters?
So for whatever was our capex planned for this year, we have almost achieved that total capex. There are no immediate fundraising plans per se, but we are always on the lookout for any interesting opportunity that might come our way that helps us de-risk our balance sheet as well as shore up our growth capital for interesting opportunities that this kind of market is throwing up. So while there are no immediate confirmed deals as of now in the pipeline, we continue to look at potential discussions that keep happening.
And also, can you tell us what the EPS expectation is for this year as well as for the next?
Right. So I think for the next year, we still have 2 quarters left in this financial year. We'll give closer to the next financial year. We'll give the guidance, and we stick to our earlier guidance of about 16 to 17 rupees EPS for this financial year.
We wish you all the best for that. Sujay, thanks for taking the time out and being with us. Let's Kolte Patil, 16 or 17 rupees EPS, stock trading at 5 times. Just the cloud over real estate probably hanging. Otherwise, they've had a good growth in terms of the top line over the last few quarters for sure. The guidance is impressive.